we got a problem. Our temporary roof system is leaking, embarrassing. Its job is to keep the water out. Last 3 weeks, we're trying to find the solution. And today, we might have the answer. Here, you see this? This is a temporary roof system we shipped to a client in New Zealand. And it leaked. The problem is the connection joint. That's where the water got in. And this is a message I never wanted to get from a client. It's a nightmare. Fixing the leak is easy. Finding the leak, oh my God, that is what kills you. And what's that was? It's not the install, not the workers, not even the tarpaulin. If it was, we'd have fixed it already. The issue is the connection point. And the connection point is the damn hardest thing to fix. 3 weeks ago, we've been trying to find the reason. And today, Rick told me he might have the answer. I said, might. So let's go find him. The customer probably thinks we spent the last 3 weeks just staring at the leak. But in fact, the whole team did not stop even a second. 小薛，那个新西兰客户行程都定好了吗？定好了。OK， 祝你旅途愉快。So while we are stuck on fixing the leak, we still have customers coming to visit us. But that's what we do every day. We fix the problems and while we take the new opportunities. Hello, Rick. 新西兰客户又来催了，然后我们那个棚部漏水的问题有进展了吗？我们去会议室吧。Let's go. 拿东西来。Week 3, Rick took the whole thing apart. That's when we finally got close. 现在是什么一个情况？
我们用这个橡胶块去进行了一个连接，然后因为它现在主要漏水的部分呢是
它是这个地方漏水是吧？
对，是轨道的这个连接处会漏水。然后我们一个呢是内部去增加了这个连接管，然后外面呢
就是这边要放一个小的管子是吧？然后它雨布从这里塞的时候，它这个导轨从这塞的时候，就是它水以前没有这个管子，它水从这个接缝处漏出来了。
对，会漏出来。
所以我们现在加了一个管子，对吧？
对。
那这个是什么作用呢？
然后外面呢是一个相当于是双重保险的一个作用，它通过一个胶水的粘连，然后确保它的水是不会从这个地方去流出来。就这样，但是我感觉后面还得改一下。
但是现在就是我们新西兰这个客户，我们是没办法给他重新改了吧？
对，只能是简单的用这样的稍微费劲一点的方式去进行一个补救的措施。
就是最终能给他解决他漏水的问题，
对，
但还不是最优方案。
对，还不是最优方案。就是说，如果后续我们的这个系统的话，肯定还是需要升级优化。
那现在就是要把这个跟里面的这个要寄给客户是吧？
对。
后面再做的话，我们就得改结构设计，对吧？对，就是把从导轨到里面的这个芯棒，以及到所有的包括这个都得改。
是的。
Look, this is the new one. You can barely tell the difference, but that's how the game works. The thing ruins your whole project is usually the teeny detail. So if the site test passes, we'll roll this into all our future projects. Until then, let's wait for our customer to sign off. Weeks of chasing this leak, and I think we finally nailed it. Symbols ready, tests are done. Next stop, New Zealand. Honestly, I'm still nervous. Because if it fails on site, we're back to square one. But this time it's different. Before, we were just guessing. Now, we will know exactly how the water got in. We tore the joint apart, checked every seal, tested every angle, logged every test. Am I nervous? Yes. But the work needed to be done, and it's all being done. Look, nobody can guarantee zero fails. But when something goes wrong, can you go back to the square one, tear it apart, rebuild it again and again and again until you get to the root cause? That's what we believe in. 3 weeks ago, we just saw a leak. Today, we know the why. Does this fix solve it for good? The client in New Zealand will make the final call. Ever dealt with this? Perfectly in lab. leaks on site. Where was your leak? Connection point? Install something else? Tell me in the comments.